Hello everyone! Today, we're going to show you a new version of AfarCo iRON PnP customization for nozzles. In front of everyone is a spray. With 4 heads, you type is Samsung CB45. Transmission mechanism of Z-axis. To move the injection, we use the structure. Moving the belt. The use of this mechanism makes the nozzle up and down smoothly. The movement range of the Z-axis will be relatively large. In this machine, we designed the travel of Z to be 40 mm. So people can make good use of the components, with altitude up to 20 mm. The advantage of this 4-head version is you're going to have a very large work area. Y-axis working area is 300 mm, and on the X-axis is 594 mm. With the large working area like this, we can use a lot of tray feeder to install on the machine. The machine will be equipped with 2 vision systems, top camera vision and bottom camera vision. We use USB camera. It makes very easy to connect. We also have a computer installed with it. Make every connection more stable. And we will reconfigure the latest OpenPnP version. The Y-axis travel is 600 mm. We use linear slider twice size 12. This comes with NEMA 23 motor driver by a GT2 belt. The Y-axis will have 2 Y-axis independent of each other. We design with a travel of 750 mm. On the X-axis, we use linear slider, with larger size is 50 mm type. And we also use NEMA 23 model for X-axis. In the Z-axis, we use a NEMA 17 stable model for weight reduction in this section. In addition, the machine will be pre-configured with AF feeder. With 40 AF feeder positions. We are now accepting pre-order for this product. For more detail, please visit our website. Thank you and goodbye.